So the first one is to give the tool a role, right? And I'll show you in a minute what that looks like. So giving someone a role is asking the model to act like a person. So for instance, a librarian or a dentist or a digital marketing expert, whatever it could be, um, asking it to act in the role of someone like that will make the model kind of embody what a person like that would know. This is what I said earlier. You tell it where to look, so it discounts all the other stuff that it shouldn't look at. And by doing that, um, you're really sort of pointing it towards what kind of information it should look at. So giving a model a role instead of a long set of instructions is a really clever shortcut way of saying this is the kind of environment of a sort of universe of information that you should know, because it knows that, for instance, a digital marketing expert, what they know about, they know what an obstetrician would know about if that's the topic, and so on. And the task is clearly showing the model what is the task you want it to complete. I think that's self-explanatory. And then context. Context is super relevant for these models. The more you can tell it about what you want it to do and why, and the context of the situation. So in our example in a minute, you'll see the context is my company Otway Harvest. So we wanted to know as much as possible about Otway Harvest so that it can give me the best response. And then the intent is what do we want to do with what you give us, so it understands what the end goal is of this information, this text or images or whatever it is we're getting it to generate, what it'll be used for. So now I'm going to show you a long prompt here, and there's a lot of text here. We'll break it down slowly so that you can understand what it's about. So you can see here, first I give it a role. So the task that I've given it is to help me create a SWOT analysis for Otway Harvest, the new company that I'm setting up, or the expansion of the company, I should say, right? So that is what we're doing here. We want help to create a SWOT analysis. And to do that, I'm asking it to play the role of a business strategy consultant with expertise in small scale agribusiness and agritourism. So this is really specific, right? It's a business strategy consultant, and it has expertise in exactly the type of business that I'm setting up.